Assalamualaikum, my name is Emma Zahra. I do A-levels at Quicksight College and did my internship as a practical trainee at BCA Notes for 8 weeks. In this video, I will be giving you a short introduction to Amazon Quicksight.
First and foremost, what is Amazon Quicksight? Now, Amazon Quicksight is a business intelligence tool that helps a company visualize their data. It is also similar to Google Data Studio and Power BI. Now, a short walkthrough to Amazon Quicksight. On the sidebar, you can see dashboards, analysis, and datasets. On the dataset section, you can observe your datasets and add new datasets. On the analysis section, you can view all of the analysis that you are currently working on and add new analysis. And on the dashboard section, you can view all of the analysis that you have published as a dashboard.
Before I end my video, I would like to thank BC for giving me the opportunity and help me gain experience as a practical trainee.